Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can off the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. Yeah, we have two ways for, and let me show you the first one. If we scroll down here to go to the shortcuts, and then we have here the symbol to off the tablet, go on off, and then you can power off it or restart it again. So there's another way by using the power button and the volume down button. So press these both buttons and hold them until you see that screen. So now you can power off it again or restart it as well. So if you want to power off it, tap on power off, go again on that symbol, and the tablet will turn off. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in them. Just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again. Maybe until next time. Ciao.